Coming to you from parts unknown, it's Vance Capley talking comics, graphic design, and art. Sit back and enjoy tonight's episode. Hey, happy Saturday, my friends. Just got this in the mail today from the good people at TEEPUBLIC. They did a fantastic job doing the Devilback t-shirt. It looks fantastic. There's a little clip of me opening it a few minutes ago. Let's take a gander at what we got. I'm in the kitchen next to the dryer right now. Just pull this out of here. Oh my goodness. It is my Devilback t-shirt. I'm gonna have to put the phone down, I'm afraid. I'm gonna see if I can do this without having to put the phone down quite yet. Oh, wow. TEEPUBLIC knocking it out of the park. Oh my gosh. It's scary when you see your own stuff, and it's printed right on there. It is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. The mail, there was another package in the mail. I didn't know what it was. On the other clip, I said that I was waiting for the Devilback books to get here. Well, they got here today. They were just in a separate pack. And the Devilback comics will be at the Shelbyville show. Just look at that. Look at that. Just some good drawings. I had a good time writing and drawing this comic. I got more plans for Devilback coming up. I only did 2 issues of Devilback, and this is different. I use TEEPUBLIC now. This is older. Nice stuff inside. The print on this book is just really cool. I also have a big stack of Captain Zero that'll be there as well. Some Monster Magazine. If they come in time, I may bring 1 or 2 of the Captain Zero Black Edition. They're $25 a piece, autographed and certificated, numbered and signed. And they're going to be there if they get here in time. Now that I don't know if they're going to make it in time, but I'm hoping they will. My shirts are available at TEEPUBLIC. There's a link in the description below, along with other links where you can get my books. My goodness, this is just crazy. And if you need an artist for a project or whatever, down below is another link, and that is for my FIVERR workspace. So if you want to hire me for a project, click that link, go do the thing. It really helps me out when you buy these things. All this stuff leads to money in my bank. One, to pay, it pays my bills. I'm doing this work. I should get money for my work. And in the other part of it, part of the money goes to do more work stuff, more new ideas. So if you get a chance, go check these things out. I thank you all so much for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. If you're not sharing my videos, please do. I also have a link for a kind of a PayPal tip jar kind of thing. So if you ain't got a whole lot of money, but want to give me like a couple of bucks, I'll take it, man. I ain't going to argue. But anyway, have a wonderful Saturday. God bless. Later. Bye. See you in Shelbyville. Have you recently lost interest in your favorite comic heroes? Do the current stories make you feel bored, restless, even lethargic? Are you reading back issues out of the 50-cent bin more often than not? Friends, you are not alone. There are thousands just like you, and the cure is Devilback. Devilback is a 48-page adventure comic by Vance Capley, released by Visual Comics and available through LULU.com. Side effects include lack of sleep, increased adrenaline, antsiness for the next story, and really wanting to buy more Devilback merchandise. Ask your comic shop if Devilback is available for you, or get your copy at LULU.com. Isn't it time for good comics again? Let Devilback start you on that journey today.
Vance Capley is a self-taught artist who has worked in various mediums, including drawing, painting, and graphic design for over 20 years. He now has his designs here on TEEPUBLIC. Old school, unique, stylish. He is also available to help you with your original TEEPUBLIC designs. Make sure you visit vancecapleyart 1972 at teepublic.com. You'll be glad you did.
The day you will dread throughout all eternity, tomorrow. For that was the day when all life on the Earth was destroyed. Meet Captain Zero, researcher in time and space, hurled into a nightmarish future where dinosaurs and aliens have eliminated all life on Earth. Meet the survivors of humanity, living out their final years on the fantastic moon base, searching for Captain Zero. They are currently strip mining the Earth for minerals to build an army strong enough to destroy any and all life in the universe. The scientists here on the moon base have been trying to build a time chamber to find the real Captain Zero to somehow prevent this madness from ever happening.
Now hold on a second. I'd like to know who Lord Zero is and why everyone thought it was me.
As a time traveler, you understand the idea of time going forward, backward. You have to consider the idea of a possible distorted time tangent, such as if you go back in your own timeline, change something, and create a new future, the old version of the future no longer exists. We believe that the aliens may have abducted a tangent version of you and corrupted him to serve them. He's able to exist in your timeline without the both of you merging into a normal time flow. So what do you think, Captain Zero?
Sounds like a lot of pseudoscientific rambling to me. Send me back. I'll take care of this.
Do you mean we should just send you back in time?
I'm still not quite sure on this whole evil twin thing, but yeah, send me back to the moment I left.
You have failed us again, Zero. Failed. Even if it takes 1 billion years, we will drag and drop you into every millisecond in Captain Zero's lifespan until we find a way to stop him and his experiments in time and space.
The helmet will help stabilize your journey back to the time chamber at the very moment you left. We added a link to your language translator, brainwave analyzer, and gravity levitation device. We've hidden a small arsenal inside of an abandoned satellite. It too is linked to your space helmet. Wherever you go in space and time, it will go with you.
Read this thrilling new adventure of the forgotten 1950s television hero by artist-writer Vance Capley. Captain Zero, now available from Visual Comics.